This is digital rebound hammer or test hammer, make Metlor. This is display, digital display, and this is the to find out the manual reading. You can see here, this is the manual reading display. Now we are going to open this. Press this button. Now you can check the display. This is the reading. We have calibrated this rebound hammer, and this is the button for up and down. You can check, we have two readings. In a one display there is a 16 reading for a single cube. You can find out the strength. This is the 50.2 megapascal. This is the strength in megapascal. This is the average strength 178. This is also in megapascal. If you will press this button, this is the on off button also or enter button also. Measurement setup. If you will enter in measurement setup, you can change the name, and you can area. You can set the area from here. This is surface, pumping, yes, angle. This is the important point. You can change the angle from here, like you can see minus 30 degree, minus 40, minus 60, minus 90, 90, 60, plus 60, plus 45, plus 35, and this is 0. You can exit from here. If you want to delete this data, you can also delete this data from this system. Now we are not deleting this. I will enter in the settings also. You can press once this one. This is the view data. This is the measurement data, delete data, calibrate, system setup, shutdown. One by one I will explain the all points. If you want to enter in measurement setup, you can enter from here. You can see there is a component, 2000 component. In a one component there is a 10 readings. So 20,000 reading can store in a single time. Area, surface, you can change also surface and bottom and side. As you are testing the cube, you can set this one. Pumping, always do yes. Angle you can set, in which angle you are compressing or impacting this hammer. New component, auto. New component, automatically it will go to new component. You can exit from here. View data. You can enter in this view data. Enter this one. You can see all the data here. You can check 114.3 megapascal average strength, minimum strength 50.7 megapascal, DM or standard deviation 19.06 megapascal, estimation 50.7 megapascal. You can check date and time also. Exit. Measurement data. You can enter measurement data, management data, delete data. You can enter delete, no. Calibrate. Don't use this setting. This is used for calibration. System setup. This is also auto fitted. Don't change this one also. Shut down. If you will enter, it will shut down. Thank you. Now I will show you how to transfer data in PC. This is the port. We can connect here like this from this cable in a laptop like this. If you want to transfer a data, there is a software, a Smith Hammer. You can see here. If we will click on this, it will open. We have already installed the software in our PC. Click yes. This is the window, and this is connected with the PC. For the reading, all the reading we will find out. You can go in a connection here, import data.com. Click here, read complete. Okay. You can see the data here. This is the table. There is a 16 readings in a one component, and this is the strength in megapascal, 50 megapascal and 178 megapascal. You can check here. If you want to save this reading in this PC, go to edit data and report. In a report, there is an option to change text file or word file. You can convert in word file. You can report. Click report, and this is the window to save this file ASDF. We will save this file on desktop. Now this is opening. This is the file you have saved, this one, and you can see our rebound value. There is a 16 value, and this is the rebound value. In this hammer, this is graph is already feeded. Then it automatically calculate the strength in megapascal. You can see here 50 megapascal. This is the R value, rebound value, or after rebound value you can see here a strength in megapascal. And this is the angle you have set, whatever it is, you will set in this hammer. And for average value, there is a 50 and 178 megapascal. Two readings are there, and this is the value of average value. I will show you. This is 114.3 megapascal is the average value. Standard deviation is 90.01, and minimum megapascal is 50.7. This is the minimum value, and this is the maximum value, and average value is this average value in megapascal. Now you can also print out this data from this PC easily. Thank you. I will show you one thing more. This is the R value, 42.7, and digital hammer automatically calculate the strength in megapascal, 50.7. How it is calculated manually, I will show you. And this is the graph. This is the standard graph for this hammer. For manual hammer, we also use this graph. Now you will see the R value here, rebound value R. This is the strength in megapascal, this side. And if you have R value, what is it? I will show you, 42.7. This is 42.7. Then we will check how much strength is there for this cube. Now 42.7. Where is 42.7? Here. Here is the reading 1, 2, 3. 42.7 and 3. This line is going in that side, and plus 90 degree angle. You will see this graph here. If you will check from here, this side, how much is there? 50 point something in its strength. Digital hammer directly calculate because this is already feed in this hammer. you can see the strength 50 point something, 50.7. Now we will see our strength 50.7. You can check here 50.7, and you can check here 43 R value, and this is the graph. I will show you this one is the perpendicular plus 90 degree angle. This is parallel or downward minus 90 degree. This is plus 90 degree, and this is 0 degree angle. For plus 90 degree angle we will use this graph. For 0 degree angle we will use this graph. For minus 90 degree we will use this graph for R value. If R value is 35 for minus 90 degree, then strength is from here you can see approx 20.8, 28. You can check from this graph manually also. Thank you.